Hello dear student, welcome to you. I hope you all are stay safe at home and watching videos regularly. So dear student, as for the third periodic exam we have already started the revision segment. So in today's lecture we are going to just revise the topic letter writing, which we have already completed in previous lecture, where we have seen there are two kinds of letter writing. First one, formal letter, and the second one, informal letters. So as we all know that letter writing is one of the very effective means of communication. If we want to talk with our family members, if we want to talk with our friends or any colleagues, or if we can write any official letter also, or officially also it has been, the letter is written. So in today's lecture that we are going to see the formal letter, to whom we write the formal, we can write the formal letter, or in which occasion we can on which occasion we can write it, or like we are going to see the format of formal letter once again. So for just remembering it or recalling it, let me start our today's segment. So I hope you have just take out your notebook. So first let me see that as we all know that we can write the formal letter to any institution or any organization. We can write to the managers, customers, or any government department, and let me see that on which occasion we can write it. We can write the formal letter asking or giving information. If you want to ask or if you want to give some information, so on that occasion we can write the formal letter to any institution or to any organization. Now the next one, to making any inquiries, to making any complaints, to making any inquiry, कुछ अगर हमें inquiry करनी है या कुछ हमें complaint करनी है, so with these purpose also we can write a formal letter to any manager or to any institution. Now let me see the next one, placing order and cancellation order. If you want to just place any order, अगर हमें कोई order करना है, or if you want to some cancel that particular order, और अगर किसी कोई हमने order कर दिया, उस order को हमें cancel करना है, so for that purpose also we can write a formal letter. So I hope you have understood it, that to whom we write formal letter and on which occasion we can write it. Now let me see the format of formal letter. There are some difference in between formal letter and informal letter. So let me see the format for the formal letter. So here let me see that first of all how we have to start the letter. Firstly we have to write the sender's full address. What the first point that we have to just remember always, sender's full address. First of all, at the left hand side of the page we must have to write the sender's full address. sender's का पूरा एड्रेस हमें यहाँ लिखना है. To whom the letter is written, जो लेटर लिख रहा है उसका लेटर हमें फर्स्ट लिखना है, then date. After writing the sender's full address we must have to note down the date. So we never have to just forget to put the date after writing the sender's full address. Second one, date, then receiver's full address. The next point, the next thing, receiver's full address, to whom we are writing that letter. So that particular person's or person's full address will be there. First sender's full address, then date, then receiver's full address. And the next one point, salutation. Salutation means respected sir, respected sir, respected ma'am, dear sir. So generally in salutation we can start our letter with respected sir, or sometimes we can write dear sir or dear ma'am also. So in this way we have to start our letter. Next one, subject. What is the reason to write the subject? What is the reason informal letter. We do not write subject in informal letter, but it's compulsory to write subject in formal letter. Next, body of the letter. Body of the letter, and whenever we write, whenever we start any letter, so it should be to the up to the point. वो point से related होना चाहिए, whatever the questions is asked to you. So the given information, or if we are making any inquiry, so the particular thing should be mentioned, date should be mentioned, address should be mentioned in that letter. Now at last, complimentary clause means yours faithfully, yours truly, yours lovely, yours faithfully, yours sincerely, yours obediently. So these words you can write in the complimentary clause, means at the end of the letter. And at last, your signatures, or whoever who is writing that letters, so that particular person's signatures and the name should be mentioned at the last of that particular letter. So it is one of the format for the letter, for the formal letter. Sorry, for the formal letter. Sender's full address, date, receiver's full address, salutation, subject, body of the letter, complimentary clause, and signatures. And if we talk about the informal letter, we just skip receiver's full address and subject. These two things are not, we do not use in the informal letter. There is no need to write the receiver's full address and subject also. So instead of the 2 points that we have just covered all the points in informal letter also. So I hope you have understood the format for the formal letter. Now let me see one example. By these examples we will understand that how to start a letter, or how to write a letter. Firstly, I want to write the questions on the board. You have to just note it down in your notebook, that which questions we are going to, or which letter we are going to write today. You are Aditya or Aditi. Narayan, 17E, Ravidas Road, Kochi. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper about the nuisance caused by loudspeakers in the city during examination. During examination. So first of all, you have to just note it down, this question, in your notebook. I repeat it once again. You are Aditya or Aditi Narayan, 17E Ravidas Road, Kochi. To belong from the Kochi, you have to just write a letter to the editor of a newspaper. To whom you are going to write a letter? Yes, to whom? The Aditya or Aditi is going to write a letter to the editor of a newspaper about the nuisance. Nuisance means शोर, जो लाउडस्पीकर की वजह से शोर क्रिएट होता है in the city during examination. So it is very it caused a nuisance by the loudspeaker in the city during examination. So with this purpose Aditya or Aditi Narayan is going to write a letter to the editor of newspaper, and they belongs from the Kochi. So just note it down, this question, in your notebook. Now let me start and how to we have to just write a letter. I hope you have just completed it. Now let me start the letter. As per the format is given, so we have to start formal letter with sender's address. And who is the sender that we have seen? Yes, Aditya. As we have to start a letter from the left hand side. Aditya Narayan, E Das Road, Kochi. And today's date 21st January 2021. Then editor. Now it is a sender's address. Now sender's address including date. Then receiver's address, it means to whom the letter is going to return. To the editor, Bahadur Shah, Zakar, Mark. So here your sender's address, you can see your sender's address including date, and it is the receiver's address is completed. Then let me write the subject first, then skip a line, then write subject. Subject: nuisance caused by loudspeakers. So is the subject that we have to write in brief. Subject जो brief में लिखा जाता है. Then let me start to write the body of the letter with starting the salutation. Dear sir. Dear sir. Then comma. I seek to bring to the notice of concerned authorities through your esteemed newspaper about the nuisance on the use of loudspeakers. loudspeaker. In their morning and in their prayer, they put the loudspeaker high, force devotional songs of the local residents. Now let me see. Firstly, we have started the letter with sender's address, then date, then receiver's address, then subject is already completed here, then salutation part, dear sir. Now let me see the body of the letter. I seek to bring to the notice of our concerned authorities through your esteemed newspaper about the nuisance on the use of loudspeakers. All the temples make use of loudspeakers in their prayers. They put the loudspeaker high force devotional songs of the local residents. So you are just here drawing the attention to the concerned authorities of the editor of the newspaper. So here, just because of the loudspeaker, the loudspeaker, just because of the loudspeaker, the area is very area is just become noisy for the students and for the people also. They put the loudspeaker high force devotional songs of the local residents. Now let me just complete it, the remaining points. Next para. People sitting in their houses get disturbed too much. It disturbs the peace of students. I request the concerned authorities to make action against Yours faithfully, Aditya Narayan. So now let me see, people sitting in their houses get disturbed too much just because of that nuisance created by the loudspeaker. It is affect to the people and they just get disturbed while they sit in their houses. It disturb the peace of the student, and not only it disturb just people, it disturb the peace of the students also, because they just it wasn't it isn't possible to the student to concentrate in their study. Once disturbed, they cannot again concentrate. So I request the concerned authorities to take action against the people of the nuisance of the loudspeaker. That's why the letter is being written by the Aditya Narayan or Aditi Narayan, and to request to the concern, and he or she wants to the request to the concerned authorities to make the action against the people, to take the any action against the people who just created a nuisance by the loudspeaker. And at last, yours faithfully and Aditya Narayan. So here, dear student, we have seen one example of a formal letter. I hope you have understood it and you have just completed it in your notebook. Now there are some exercise also, some questions are already given in your book. So as a practice you can just make it complete in your notebook. So it will helpful to you while you write any notice writing. So while you write any letter writing. So I hope you have understood today's lecture very well. So we'll meet you in next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.